In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get YouTube Music. We will walk through the process on a computer, so you can follow along step by step and start listening today. First, open your web browser on your computer. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you normally use. Just click its icon once and wait for the main browser window to appear, with the address bar visible at the top of the screen. Once your browser is open, go to YouTube Music. Click inside the address bar at the top, then type music.youtube.com and press the Enter key. After a moment, the YouTube Music website loads. You should see a dark-themed page with a logo for YouTube Music in the top left, and different music sections or recommendations filling the rest of the page. Now, sign in with your Google account. Look toward the top right corner of the YouTube Music page and click the Sign In button. A Google sign-in screen appears with spaces for your email and your password. Type your Google email address, click Next, then type your password and click Next again. When the page reloads back into YouTube Music, you will know you are signed in because your profile picture or your initial shows in the top right corner instead of the Sign In button. With your account ready, browse or search for music. On the home page, you will see rows of suggestions with titles like mixes, new releases, or recommended albums. You can scroll down the page to explore different sections and see more options. Near the top center, find the search box with a magnifying glass icon and click it once. Type the name of a song, an artist, an album, or even a music style like lo-fi or jazz, then press Enter. A results page appears, grouped into songs, artists, albums, and playlists, so you can quickly spot the kind of music you want. Next up, click a song, album, or playlist to play it. If you click a single song in the list, YouTube Music opens a small player bar along the bottom and starts playing that track right away. When you click an album, a new page opens showing the album cover, track list, and a big play button, and playback begins from the first track. If you choose a playlist, you see a similar page with a list of songs from many artists, and YouTube Music will move from one track to the next automatically so you can just listen. You have now opened YouTube Music on your computer, signed in with your Google account, and started playing the songs, albums, or playlists you like. If this helped you get your music going, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more clear how-tos.